Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to limit charging to save battery on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. To do that, we have to open the pre-installed application, which is called Surface. It should be available right in the start menu, on the first page of the start menu. Unless you've been using your device for a while, then you have to search for Surface app separately, then open it, and in this application you're gonna have to expand the battery and charging menu and select limit to 80%. This way you will limit your battery's charging to 80% so that your laptop never gets fully charged, therefore the battery lifetime gets prolonged significantly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.